Hi everybody, it's Cassie from Helpertech, and I'm just going to talk to you about difference in screen repairs. I've had people come in, they actually purchase their own screen, but they're not comfortable doing their own repair. So they come in and, we'll install their part for usually $40 to $50 depending on the phone. But what they bring in is this. This is just a glass pane. It's actually fused to the actual LCD itself and is not something that we could do in an hour. If you buy your own parts, what you want to look for is a screen like this. This has the full assembly. It's got the LCD, all the small parts. This is something that I can install for you so that you can save a little bit of money, or else we can just do the repair in full. Like, we've got our own screens and everything. We've got a couple of different locations, one in Eagan, one in Burnsville. And like I said, the main thing is this is just a glass pane. There's nothing to it. There's no touch. If there's any issues with your picture, with your touch function on the screen itself, this will not fix your issue. I also do not recommend you try to replace just the glass yourself. You need a lot of specialized equipment, heating pad, wire to actually split the LCD and the glass itself. And generally that process can take several hours to do, and you're just as likely to accidentally break the LCD in the process. But this is why we put on these full assemblies. This is why we can offer that 15-minute repair, get you in and out, and we fully test out the screen and the small parts that are on there. That's your ear speaker, your prox sensor, and your front camera. And with that, you do get a lifetime manufacturing warranty on the screen itself. If any of those small parts malfunction, you can just bring it back and we'd swap it out. So if you have any questions, or you're interested in either having us install a part that you bought, you want to make sure you got the right thing, or if you want us to just install one of ours, stop in. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 6, and Saturday, 10 to 3. You guys have a nice night.